Hi everyone, my name is Lydie and I'm going to show you how to braid your hair the quick and easy way, because honestly, who has much time? Okay, so you will need a comb. We're talking, $1 or $2 regular. I personally have quite long thin hair, so then you trace a zigzag parting of the hair so that here it is, you've got it. So important, you want your hair to not have knots in it, very important, and to be the segments to be thin enough that there you are, that you don't have knots that get into them. So I'm just putting this out of the way. That sounds good, and I'll show you what I mean by this. And then you do just a regular braid like this. So the reason I've been doing this video is actually many people have commented that although my thing is personal development and self-improvement and I'm great at what I do, my hair seems to attract quite a fair bit of attention. So for the people who, women, or actually men with long hair, I'm not sure, who actually want something that looks good, take little time, and more importantly, apparently there's something that catches people's attention with me not putting any elastic bands. But with the length, the hair stays. So you're going to see it literally, it doesn't take long. It takes about 3.5 minutes, maybe 4 minutes, because it's a bit... it's my first time doing this tutorial for all of you, and just goes to show that good things, great things, take little time. Why put a lot of time and effort into creating an image when you can just enjoy nature? So importantly, you want to just do this as far as you can. And now the other side. Okay. So with the times that we're living in, with literally mass hysteria and all of these things, we need more good things. Quick, easy, good, feel good, uplifting, which is what I do. So if this hair tutorial has been bringing you just what you wanted from this moment in time and helped you with, bringing you more of what you really want in your life, more easiness, more flow, no elastic bands. But that only works if you have thin hair. If you have Asian hair, which is round and very straight, you will need the elastic bands. Oopsies. And I'll put this in the back. Okay, so as you see, I'm nearly done. There's a bit too much here there. So just tighten up behind the ear. We're nearly done. And I'm going to show you. So while I finish braiding the length, which is a bit nutty here, that's okay. So just tighten a little bit, because if it's too loose, it will unravel quite fast. So this is what it looks like from the top and the sides. That's it. So I figured out that there are more ways to help people who are overstretched, overwhelmed, and instead of always talking about these deep topics, at times light and easy and breezy, do it. So this is what this tutorial is about. And for the rest of the hair, which is like this, at times I do another braid. So I take the hair, put some up here, and I braid this one here. I can do more braids, it depends on how I feel. Okay, so there you go, and you can do more things with the lengths, but usually that's pretty much my go-to hairdo these days, and it stays like that for the rest of the day. Okay, so if you want more of these, please let me know in the comments. And if you're interested in the other things that I do, which are, to let you know, literally within pretty much like this, all about you, explaining you your own patterns, your dynamic, and how to make them work for you or how to dissolve them, have a look at my page gamechangerhelp.com.au. Thank you for watching and looking forward to your comments. See ya!